Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see it, 0xc00000F. So how we can fix it? First of all, we need to turn off our computer. So just click on power and shut down. So first we try to do is to enter to BIOS, and you know this error can be also caused by some error in priority in your hard disk. So you need to change priority in your hard disks if you have more than one hard disk. So you need just to change them. I will show now you how you can do it. So now I will power on our computer. So for entering to BIOS, I need to enter several times Fn and F1 or F2. So you know it's all also depends on the model of your computer, of your laptop. So in some models it might be one combination of buttons, and in another model of laptops it can be another combination. So you just need to find your combination of buttons to enter to BIOS to your model. So now we need to go to boot, and here you will see boot priority. So here you can see that I also have only one hard disk. That's why I can't show you how you can change it, but also I can show you with this network boot with the Realtek. So here you can see that F5 and F6 change values. Maybe in your version of BIOS it will be another buttons, but also here you can watch what combination of buttons you need to enter to do some comments. So we just click on F5, and here you can see that also it changed our priority. So now we choose Realtek and just click F5, and it comes back to second. So you need to change your because you can see this error when you have two hard disks. So you just need to change them, change priority of them. So second must be first and first must be second. So just try it, and after you do it, here you can see save and exit F10. So just click F10 and go to exit and choose exit saving changes and click yes. So if it doesn't help you, I also have a second variant how we can fix it. So now I will show you a second variant how we can fix. So let's wait after our system will load and I will show you. So after our system will load, just go to Windows. Also, if you can't log in into your system with this error, you just need to get your installation disk with Windows and just open restoration from this disk. And now just click on power and choose restore when you press shift. So just press shift and choose restore. It means that after we restart our computer, we will see our restoration menu and we can restore our system. So now we need to choose troubleshoot, advanced options, and here we choose startup repair. So after you choose startup repair, you just follow all the steps, and it will automatically try to automatically fix and repair your system, and maybe to find some corrupted files and to change them or to fix them. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.